What's your plan here, boy? Did I just do that?
Yeah. Just by pulling the oil filler cap off?
Start it. I know exactly what's the matter with it. Well, I mean, you're pulling suction on the crankcase. What's that tell you? No, it means there's 2 valves, or maybe 4 valves that aren't opening. And it's pulling.
I need head.
I can fix it. I can fix it. So right now it's smoking because it's pulling oil out of the crankcase because those valves won't open. Don't blow it up. Get it in there. So hey KJ,
What?
you wanted to be a V10 owner, huh?
No. It was $300. I wanted to be a 73 owner, but we don't have full coverage, so that didn't work.
You can pay the difference. Your mom will put it on, you just have to pay the difference.
There's the fabled 5.4 broken spark plug. But that's not half the fun. What are you doing over here, boy? That one not coming out?
No.
Can we show the ladies and gentlemen what happened,
No.
what happened to the V10? Please?
Fine. Yeah, she's minty.
Oh yeah, look at that. Point out that broken valve. Where's it at?
The one that's on here.
Oh, that's,
This one?
that's a valve, and there's supposed to be one over there. There's no valve.
See, 1, 2 trees, lifters, and 3 valves.
So, yeah, broken valve. We got some major problems with that spark plug. I'm sure that's not the only problem. Oh, look, KJ's going to show us the fabled broken 5.4, 6.8 liter spark plugs. 2 of them we found. And just like I said, what we would find, right? Back of the head is where it started. There were 2 broken pedestals. As you can see, the pedestals are completely wiped out. So what happens here, essentially, is the tensioner for that chain, which you can't see here, but it's down there. It goes bad, starts to leak oil, and then the back of that head is the last thing that gets oil, and it's the first thing that goes bad. And that's exactly what happened here. So cylinders, the last 3 there actually didn't have cam followers on them. They were all laying down inside. And that's kind of what she wrote. So this is a junk motor. That second cylinder up ends up having a drop valve, which I'm sure that valve is embedded somewhere in the piston. And essentially this, like we said, is a junk motor. So that plan is out the door, and now we're on to bigger and badder things. We're going to end up getting the cab the rest of the way off, as you guys can see. We got the whole front end off of it tonight anyway, so tomorrow night we'll continue taking the cab off, get the inside out so we can get all the bolt mounts off, and I'll go around and get everything unhooked. We can lift her off of there and see what we got. I did power wash the frame tonight before we got started, and for what it is, I'm pretty okay with it. My brother Rodney, Grape 8, ended up bringing us a tow behind air compressor this evening so we can get some sandblasting done. But yeah, it actually come out pretty nice. Should make for a nice replacement for Henry. So yeah, we got the whole front of it apart tonight, as you can see there. Found out that, in fact, the right-hand head is bad. Unfortunate thing is it dropped the valve and ruined the piston. So we're on from the 6.8 back to the 5.4, and stick around. Thanks a lot. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Mongo's Garage and hanging out with us tonight. Like I was talking about before, we're trying to get the videos down to about 8 minutes long and keep things moving, keep you interested. But I'm going to put out a call of action to everybody that's watching the video. If you think you know, or you know of, or you might have some idea of where there might be a 6.8 liter V10 sitting, give me a holler, let me know. I'm looking for a 3 valve. It would be so much easier just to put a new motor in this truck and put it back together and get it all back to the way it should be. But just an option, seeing if maybe YouTube Nation out there could give us a hand. All right, guys, that's all for tonight. Come back tomorrow when we continue Henry IV. Mongo out. Take care.